Hello YouTube family, welcome back to the channel. So today we have a very special unboxing to be done on the channel. This is gonna be a very special unboxing and I have just received the package, so will not take much time and we'll start unboxing it. So today itself I received this package like 15 minutes back, and I wanted to show you guys what exactly we have got. This is gonna be a very special unboxing, or like very expensive unboxing as well. So let's see what exactly is it. So I have ordered this particular product from Design Info, and I recently came across their site. They offer like quite a number of products at a very reasonable price or a very competitive price. The packing looks good till now. Let's open it up. Okay, तो बॉक्स के अंदर बॉक्स है. पैकिंग तो अच्छी लग रही है अभी तक. लेट्स सी बाकी की पैकेजिंग कैसी लगती है अंदर से. लेट मी कट इट फ्रॉम हियर. बहुत ज़्यादा ही पैकिंग कर रखी है, बहुत सारी सेलो टेप है. But it's also good to see this, that they have been shipping the product like this. Builds up the confidence that the product will not be damaged at least. Okay. So पूरा बॉक्स तो खुल गया है, and here is a very big reveal that what exactly the product is. Here it is. So let me do this. Straight कर देता हूँ. ये देख के आपको पता तो चल ही गया होगा कि क्या है प्रोडक्ट. So let's just get these products out of the box. So let's first get this box out. So this is DJI Mini 3 Pro. And we also have the fly mode kit with it. So let me just put these products here and clear out everything else. And guys, I am very excited to show you this, as now we gonna be like upgrading our videos, and from now on you guys will be seeing more interesting shots for all the places that I go to. So let's start unboxing this box first, the accessories one. Just because normally जब भी आपने किसी भी unboxing वीडियो देखी होगी तो सबसे पहले लोग ड्रोन ही unbox करते हैं, but I wanted to start with this one. So let me change the camera angle a bit and then we'll start with it. So जैसा कि मैं आप लोग को बता रहा था कि we'll start unboxing this box first. So we'll just take this box aside for a bit and we'll start with this. So in this box what we're gonna get is a box, a charger hub, 2 batteries, additional batteries, rotors and a charging cable. So let's get started with this one. So we get a small this unwrapping kind of a thing. Okay, it's not done that way, so let me just cut it from here. Okay, so the box have these contents in it. Let me just pull it out. Okay, so here is the box, or here is the bag. Sorry guys, excitement में word jumble हो रहे हैं. So ये रहा अपना बैग. So let's just open it up. नए बैग की smell. So in this what we gonna have is the charging hub, as you can see, the charging hub. और एक और चीज़ जो मैं just point out करना चाहता था is कि sealed products हैं तो सारे, ऐसा नहीं है कि product sealed नहीं है. So there's no kind of like fraud thing going on. So here is in, out, and the power, and here are the 2 batteries. So these are the 47 minutes battery. Normally इसमें batteries दूसरी आती हैं, तो let's just long press this one. Okay, so there's no charge, I guess, so we have to put it for charge. Let's keep this aside and get the other contents out of the box. Okay, cannot see anything here. Let's see. Okay, so as you guys know, इसमें batteries थी, charging hub था, 4 rotors है अपने पास, और ये है charging cable. So this is all done. So I'll just keep this aside as of now, and we'll move on to the main unboxing. That is this bad boy. So I've been wanting to own a drone, or like get a drone from like quite a long time now, since a long time. But वही budget की बड़ा issue होता है, तो फिर budget इकट्ठा करो. 3-4 महीनों से I was planning to get this one. So let's just get this bad boy also out of the box. So let me just do this. ये हो गया. Then we have this small seal here, so we'll also remove this one. Okay, this was quite fun. And let's get our bad boy out. So I have been seeing like a lot of unboxing videos, and I always imagined like me and unboxing my own drone. So if you can see here, the product is here, and the product is all sealed out. So we'll just tear off the seal and get the drone out. So it feels very light, and here is the drone with this gimbal cover, sensors, and everything else. You already know about the specifications of the drone. I'm pretty sure about that. So this is the drone. Let's keep this aside and get the main thing out. So here is the RC remote, with smart RC remote with like screen. So let me also get this also out. So here is the remote with a very big screen. Like, why I wanted this smart drone, just because एक तो इसमें बहुत सारे avoidance sensors हैं, आगे पीछे ऊपर नीचे, and then this also because I don't require additional phone or screen to connect to the remote and see the footage. So all I need to do is I just need to switch it on, connect it to the drone, and I'm good to go. No worries about getting the drone charged or the phone charged. So this is all. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna charge all these babies up, and once these are charged, and we'll continue with the setup. Okay, before we start charging these babies up, एक्साइटमेंट में फिर वही भूल गया, एक और चीज़ है अंदर अभी बाकी बॉक्स में, जो है ये. लेट्स ओपन दिस अप. इसमें थोड़ा पेपर वर्क, एज यू गाइज ऑलरेडी नो, ये सारे पेपर वर्क तो मैंडेटरी हैं. एक स्क्रू ड्राइवर टू चेंज द रोटर्स, and we have a pair of rotors as well. Two pairs of rotors as well. So this is all. We pretty much unboxed everything, and everything looks good. Seal and everything is there, so genuine product, ऐसा कुछ है नहीं issue. So we'll just charge these all things and then start and setting it up. So मिलते हैं थोड़ी देर में. सो दोस्तों, अपना ड्रोन की बैटरीज और जो अपना रिमोट है उसकी बैटरी फुल चार्ज हो गई है. तो विल जस्ट ट्राई टू सेट इट अप. बिफोर सेटिंग इट अप, आई जस्ट वांट टू शो यू दीज स्टिकर्स. सो विल जस्ट गेट रिड ऑफ दीज स्टिकर्स नाउ. और एक है ये गिम्बल पे. सो ये अपना गिम्बल. सो गिम्बल पे है 4 साइड का छोटे छोटे स्टिकर्स. विल गेट रिड ऑफ दीज स्मॉल स्टिकर्स. एंड देन एक ये पीछे फोम है टू जस्ट प्रोटेक्ट द गिम्बल ड्यूरिंग द during the transit, so we'll just keep it aside and we'll keep this safe whenever we are in transit. So we'll keep this. So we'll try to on this, so a small tap and then a long press. So drone is on, and then the same way we need to do for this, one small tap and then a bigger or a longer press. So now we have to set it up. थोड़े बहुत firmware होंगे, firmware updates और वो सब, तो I'll just get into this. ये सब चीज़ें अपडेट करता हूँ मैं और फिर आप लोगों से मिलता हूँ अपडेट करके. सो गाइज अब सेटअप पूरा हो गया. एक फर्मवेयर अपडेट आ गया था बीच में, तो वो सेटअप पूरा हो गया. तो ऑल यू नीड टू डू इज़ दिस, एंड यू कैन सी अपना ड्रोन चालू हो गया.